Hello, my name is Emma Vowles and I'm the founder of women's wear brand Busby & Fox. Welcome to the finale of my festive styling series. Little series I just put together to hopefully help you be prepared and create some fabulous looks for a very busy time of year. I also have over 30 years experience helping women to find a style that's right for them, and along the way how to create a fabulous hardworking wardrobe. Now today we're going to look at the big event itself. Whatever Christmas looks like for you, I've prepared some beautiful looks which are going to be so easy to put together very quickly and are going to be super comfortable. So before we get stuck in, let me start with what I'm wearing, because actually this is perfect for a Christmas day. I've got on the Samira satin trouser, elasticated on the waist, super comfy. I can eat all day, I'm going to feel great. Chunky boot. This is where you can pop on a shoe that's right for you, what you've got. Go for a metallic heel, go for a, I don't know, a little slipper, whatever works. I've also then got on the Marcy little vest top, mix of fabrics. So I've got the satin and the georgette, which I think just elevates this piece. Then I've thrown over super lightweight, beautiful, tonal with the top here, Mila cardigan, absolutely gorgeous, and is going to look fantastic going into spring after Christmas. Then I've got on some sparkles, some jewels. We can take a closer look at those, actually have a little looky at that. There we go, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love this, big chunky crystal. And that's about it. So let's get stuck in and have a little play. Okay, this is just to show you how easy and simple it can be to change a look because you have the right pieces in your wardrobe. I've kept the Samira trouser on, but now I've added the lacy top, which I love. Lace is really big at the moment. It gives you soft coverage and interest on your arm, gorgeous. Added some sparkle, and this is a really good way to add a piece of knitwear, a tank top, because I'm not going to overheat. I've got sparkle, I've got texture, I've got softness, beautiful. Now, if I was busy during the day, I might be at work or I might be running around, dropping off prezzies, whatever I'm up to, this is a quick, easy change and I'm out the door. Bit of lippy, bit of sparkle, done. Okay, now I'm going for something a little bit more dressy. These two should do the trick. I feel really very glamorous in this look. I've got my Marcia leopard print dress on. Now, before we move on to everything else, let's not forget good underwear, because when you're wearing a dress that skims across your body, don't underestimate what a good pair of knickers could do, whether they're Spanx, whether they're thongs, whatever works for you. Make sure that there isn't any unsightly knicker lines. So I've done that. I've also got on I'm going to pull up my peekaboo. I've got on a fishnet pop sock, which means I'm not going to overheat. Genius. Sparkle with my bag. I've got my little waistcoat just to soften the look. Lippy, fantastic. And I've also pulled out some metallic heels. But let me just show you this outfit with my chunky boots on, because that looks great too. There, got my chunky boots back on. This is probably a little bit more me, but if I fancied wearing a heel, I know it works. Now, where's my bag? Oh, there. Thank you. Completing the look with my sequin bag. Great, now what's next? Let's go for a little bit of texture, another little bit of satin, and my lacy little vest. So this is the last one. I've gone for easy peasy. The combination is beautiful. I feel comfortable. The cypress trouser, shape of a jogger, so simple to blend with other pieces in my wardrobe, so I'm getting lots of use out of them. I've got on the little fleur vest, which has a very pretty lace trim around the bottom and the neckline, which elevates. I think different mix of fabrics are always going to be interesting and add something really special. Then I have on the Davina top that I'm wearing as a jacket. Let me show you the fabric again. Detail, gorgeous. Rings, there we go. Statement pieces, I've gone for 2. Earrings, chandelier, disco vibe, which I'm loving. And then, what else have I got on? Oh yeah, my necklaces, again, statement piece. There's the green one you've seen before, which is pulling the green from the trouser. I could, of course, add more sparkle. Bag, you've seen this one, the little gold bag, bringing out the gold. So I have all the pieces I need. And that's what a good wardrobe will do for you. Now I just want to show you another couple of pieces because they're fabulous. You've seen the Samira in the black, we also have it in gold. So these are options. You can choose which way you want to go. Really love that colour, and of course I can pull out more of the gold by popping on my sequin scarf. There we go. So if you have the right tools and pieces in your wardrobe, you can create multiple looks. Have a little play, be a little bit prepared for the festive season, but most of all, enjoy whatever you're up to, have fun, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Merry Christmas.